I'm Nicole with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton, Ohio, and I just picked up my new 2-week board and train, a 1-year-old Boston Terrier named Truman. Truman's coming to us for a couple of reasons. Mainly it's his overexcitement. When his owners walk in the door, he's jumping up on them, tugging on their clothes a little bit and biting at them. He's really excited and he's not sure what to do with himself. And it's going to be important that we manage those behaviors because Truman's owners have a young grandson, and when he starts running around, we're going to need Truman to be able to hold a place or hold a stable down so everybody can stay safe. And it's also important that we can manage Truman's anxiety a little bit when he's out in public, so that way they can take him on a walk and he's more manageable, and also he has a more enjoyable time so they have a more enjoyable time. So let's go pull him out, and I cannot wait to show you his progress after 2 weeks. Thanks, bye.
In these next few clips, I'll be running through the commands that Truman will learn over the next 2 weeks to get an idea of what he might already know. And you can see when I recall Truman, he does come my way, but when he sees these people walking by, it takes a few times of me asking for him to come back to me. He's pretty distracted by them, and that overexcitement's tending to take over a little bit. In this clip, I'm asking Truman to sit, and he does demonstrate he understands that command, but it takes a few times of asking him, and then when I ask him to go into a down, he shows he doesn't understand that one. Here, he's showing off that overexcitement a little bit again, and again, when I ask him to go into a sit, it takes him a few times to go into it, and here he will not give me a down. In this clip, I'm asking Truman to place on the cot, and you can see he doesn't lack the confidence to get up there, but he is showing off that overexcitement, jumping up on me, and really just no stability when he gets onto the cot. I am asking him to sit when he gets up there, but he's not interested in staying there. And in this last video, I'm just seeing how Truman walks on the leash, and you can see he's not too terribly strong, but he is a pain to walk in his own way. He jumps up on you, and he walks in front of you, and I almost trip over him a little bit because he just kind of stops right in front of you, and he's not paying attention to anything that I'm doing on our walk.